Have you ever found yourself lying awake at night, your thoughts racing, heart beating a little too fast, wondering why you can't seem to feel calm? Or maybe you're sitting in a waiting room, gripping the arms of your chair, feeling anxious and unsure why. For many people over 60, feelings of anxiety, restlessness, or worry can sneak in more often than we'd like. Whether it's from health changes, sleep issues, loss, loneliness, or just the stress of everyday life, these feelings are more common than most people realize. And if you're feeling that way, know this: you're not alone. And more importantly, you can feel better. Not with pills or major life changes, but with something simple, available anytime: your breath. Today, I want to teach you a breathing technique that calms the nervous system, eases anxiety, and tells your brain, you're safe now. It's called box breathing, and it only takes 60 seconds. Let's begin together. What is box breathing? Box breathing is a simple technique used by everyone from doctors and therapists to Navy SEALs and meditation teachers. It slows your breath in a rhythm that helps calm the mind and relax the body. The name box comes from the idea of 4 equal parts, just like the 4 sides of a square. You breathe in for 4 counts, hold for 4, breathe out for 4, and hold again for 4. You can do it sitting, lying down, or even standing in line at the grocery store. Let me guide you through it now. Try box breathing with me. Real-time practice. Sit comfortably. Rest your hands on your lap or by your sides. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Let's begin. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Let's do another round. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. One more. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Now just breathe naturally. Notice if your shoulders feel softer, if your chest feels more open, if your mind feels just a little quieter. You did that with just your breath. Why does it work? When we slow our breath, we activate something called the parasympathetic nervous system. That's the part of your body that tells your brain, it's okay, you can relax. It lowers your heart rate, reduces stress hormones like cortisol, and increases oxygen flow to the brain. Think of it like flipping a switch from alert to ease. Even better, the more you practice it, the easier it becomes. Your body starts to learn that slow breath equals safety. When can you use this breathing trick? Before bed. Helps quiet your mind so you can fall asleep faster. In the waiting room, if you're nervous about a doctor's appointment. At the dinner table, to pause and relax before eating. In the car, before driving or when stuck in traffic. During a worry spiral, when your thoughts won't stop racing. Let me tell you about John from Oregon. John is 72. Every time he had to go in for a checkup, he noticed his chest would tighten, his palms would sweat. He dreaded the waiting room. Then his daughter taught him box breathing. Now, before every appointment, he closes his eyes and does 3 rounds of box breathing in his chair. He says, I walk in calmer, I leave calmer, and the whole thing just feels easier. That's the power of the breath. Add this to a daily routine. Just 1 minute of breathing can shift your whole day. But you can also build a 5-minute daily habit that helps reduce stress, improve focus, and improve sleep over time. Here's what a gentle daily practice might look like. Choose a time: morning, after lunch, or before bed. Sit comfortably in a quiet place. Do 3 rounds of box breathing. Listen to soft instrumental music or nature sounds. End with gratitude. Think of one thing you're grateful for today. That's it. Just 5 minutes. You can even write down how you feel afterward. Over time, you'll notice less tension in your body, calmer reactions to stress, deeper sleep, a stronger sense of peace. Pair. Breathing with gentle movement. For seniors who enjoy movement, you can also pair breathing with small motions. Inhale while lifting your arms slowly overhead. Exhale while lowering them gently down. Inhale while rolling your shoulders back. Exhale while letting them fall softly. These simple actions connect breath with body and create a rhythm that soothes the nervous system. You can also try belly breathing. Place one hand on your belly, the other on your chest. Inhale through your nose so your belly rises. Exhale slowly through pursed lips. Try this for 2 to 3 minutes. Tips for long-term calm practice: breathing at the same time each day. Create a dedicated corner or chair just for your breathing time. Use a timer or calming app to stay on track. Pair breathing with soft music, light stretching, or a favorite candle. Invite a friend or partner to join you once a week. Final encouragement. Anxiety isn't weakness, it's your body trying to keep you safe. But sometimes it needs a gentle reminder that everything is okay. And that reminder comes from your breath. 1 minute, 1 breath, 1 shift toward peace. Tonight, before bed, try just 3 rounds of box breathing. Let your body know it's time to rest. You don't need anything fancy. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to breathe. Your breath is your anchor. Your calm is always within reach. You've got this. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who could use a little peace, and subscribe for more gentle wellness tips made just for you.